The people who love to play Minecraft always love to see that game on their Android phone, and by any chance, if it is available free of cost on Google Play Store, people love to install that game on their mobile free of cost. How do you do that? I'm going to show it to you in this video. Generally, Minecraft will be costing by some dollars, but here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Minecraft free of cost. Go to your Google app Play Store and go to your Play Store and Minecraft, you just type it, and upon typing you'll have several options here to download Minecraft, and this Minecraft would be costing you, and when you want to download this you have to finally end up sharing some bucks here. But if you want to really have the free trial version or free of cost something to be downloaded on your mobile, you can go and download this Minecraft trial version. Just tap on this Minecraft trial, you'll understand that this would be free of cost absolutely, and you can always install this for the zero cost. You can see I'll be installing and showing it to you. This app would be around 158 MB, and based on your internet speed, this will be downloaded on your mobile so quickly, and thereafter it will ask you to install. It will be installing. Once it is installed, it will straight away show you the play option. Just go and tap on this play option, and boom, you can now onwards play your Minecraft so easily without any hesitation, and you don't need to pay anything for this. That's great, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video for more such valuable content in the future too.